Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. I hope you are all fine and doing well. Today I am going to share with you very beautiful and stylish highest platform high heel shoes for women and girls. So these are very gorgeous and beautiful shoes for those ladies who loves to wear such types of shoes. All designs are so beautiful, stylish and trendy. So friends, I must suggest you to watch this video till the end. My dear friends, if you want to buy these beautiful and stylish shoes, I will tell you the websites from where you can buy these designs online. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos and you will never miss my videos and any collection of my channel. My dear friends, now I will tell you the websites from where you can buy these designs online. So you can buy these designs from amazon.com, etsy.com and aliexpress.com. All these websites are very famous and you can buy all the latest variety of fashion. I always try to show you stylish and latest designs of fashion through my videos, so don't forget to tell me in the comment section. In the comment section you can tell me how was the videos, and besides take good care of yourself. Take care. Allah Hafiz.